Hey guys, let's talk about the blender bottle. It has a 24-ounce capacity. It has a rounded base that enhances mixing and simplifies cleanup, a spots guard that protects the spout from your dirty gym fingers, an adjustable carry loop, and best of all, it fits in most cars and cup holders. So we're gonna open it up for the first time here and take a look at this product. There are different colors, but I got the clear. And let's take a look at how it works. All you gotta do is put in your water and whatever you're mixing. I'm guessing probably some gym protein or some pre-workout, and then you just twist it and drink it. Look at that, it's odor resistant, and it comes with a little shaker ball inside. Let's open it up by twisting it just like that. And here we have the little ball. This is what actually helps mix whatever you put in there. This is the blender ball wire whisk, and it mixes as you shake. I'm gonna take a look at it and open it up here and drop it inside it so we can take a look at how it works when you shake it up. Honestly, at first glance, this bottle is very pretty, very nice. I really like the clear color. And there you go. Look at that ball go. This is definitely something I'm going to be adding to my gym equipment and keeping it always in my gym bag on the go with me. It is great. It is so simple but so effective, and I highly recommend you guys to try it out. It even has the little carrier right here. You can hook that up to whatever you like, and there you go. You just pop it open. It's a little hard to pop open, but there you go. And drink that pre-workout, get that protein in before the gym, or just on the go, really, on the car or things like that. Definitely recommend you guys to check it out. It's a great bottle and so nice.